Open. Apna restaurant design, new design. Restaurant design. Then full screen again. Okay. Inathulla. Ee menus ille menus. Menus namakku ee main menus. Namakku ee ivide aakku. Ee side like left side le. Adellam perikka side aakku. Then we can scroll with the mouse. It will go up down up down. It is main menus. When you are clicking the main menu, the sub menu will open. Yes, put it all. Because that side I think is better. Here we have our express billing also here. Very good. Express billing we have additional that the payment information is there. Okay. Right or no? Even more menus is there, no? When we are scrolling the mouse, it will go like that. This is the thing. And this one, for example, once we are clicking the pizza, the main menu, the sub menu will open, no? The sub menu also make it in square, no need I think this one. And this one also is, we can edit color from the backend. Each the icon, no, color we can edit from the backend. This is the thing. See, it will go vertical, straight, yes. If it is horizontal, we cannot control with mouse. Or we need to bring Apple mouse, left magic mouse.
Does sub-menu have any scrolling option?
Sub-menu have also scrolling option. There will be an auto scroll will come over here. Here or there, in both direction we cannot. But vertical movements is easy in mouse. Horizontal, compared to horizontal movement. Horizontal movement is very difficult. This is okay. This is for dining. Any person who is sitting in the table or chair, he can manage through this one. This one okay, it's fine. All the item list will come over here, and this one make it square and a different color. Yes, the square is best. Like that. Put different color, not all same color, because that color also is editable from the backend. This is design. This is the coding start. This is the particular link click automatically. Everything will work. Means this corresponding link will work. Different. All will come. For example, no. Even. Option is there. For example, one customer he has, for example, Gujarati meal. Gujarati product maybe there is 100 products or 200 products. All it will come here. No, even it will go up. When they are scrolling the mouse, it will go. That's thing is that they can choose the product very quickly. This is the main philosophy for that. Even for some for example, breakfast we added as a main menu. When we are clicking the breakfast, no, automatically all the breakfast products will come over here. Even drinks, coffee, we can add one coffee, but there is some in north side. The coffee also, there is so many brands. Like in Kerala, we are asking coffee. If you are going to ask coffee, they will ask which type of coffee. Even we are in Gulf, there is, if you are asking coffee, they will ask cappuccino or latte or something. There is so many different coffees are there. Like, even many products also there is very, they can just tick. Even touch screen also it is okay, no? Basically this big screen is for touch screen interface. പ്രിൻ്റർ ഇന്ന് വൈകുന്നേരം നാളെ കൺഫേം ആകും. അവർ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. അതിനല്ല ടി വി എസിൻ്റെ ഒരു പ്രിൻ്റർ വരുന്നുണ്ട്, നാളെ രാവിലെ വരും. എടുത്തോ, പേയ്മെൻറ്റ് എടുത്തോ, കുഴപ്പമില്ല. പ്രിൻ്റർ 3 പീസ് ഇരിപ്പുണ്ട്, പേടിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല കേട്ടോ. പിന്നെ ടി വി എസിൻ്റെ പ്രിൻ്റർ നാളെ വേറെ മോഡൽ വരുന്നുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. That's enough. Change 1 or 2 color. That's it. But the layout, no, even what I am saying, even normal people, they need to use it.
Okay.
It should be like that. Main thing in the dining billing, especially in dining billing. Suppose one customer, they sit in chair. One time they purchased some food. Next time they purchase some foods. In the same table it will add on.
Okay.
The amount it will be add on. That will be very good,
Should have to make it useful.
Of course. That's it. Now, even new products adding, no? For example, one menu, all products will come over here. Automatic, it will come from the automatic. In the back end, they can even upload from Excel sheet. Bulk, some restaurant, they have thousands of products.
Okay.
Different. Yani, meals is some, maybe 100, 200 meals. Different, Also, breakfast is there, so many different varieties is there. Even the beverages, like, drinks. Some beverages, I mean the bar, they can add all the bar beverages.
Okay.
Like peg, liquor, everything they can add it. Even in the main menu they can add all the vegetable, non-veg, something like that. This is, I think, okay, the design. The color is also, I feel it is okay, nice looking. Background, I think it is nice color, I think, no? The header blue is okay, or some other header is best? Better combination, which one? With this light. Because it should look very nice.
Fully background. ഇത് ആ കുളത്തിലുള്ള പോലെ ഒരു ഷെയ്ഡ് വന്ന്
ഇതോ ഈ ഷെയ്ഡ് നല്ലതല്ലേ? ഷെയ്ഡ് വേണമെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടുന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ ഇടാനാ? ഓക്കെ, വെരി ഗുഡ്. No, the previous color is best. Color shade it നോക്കുക, അപ്പം then we will see. We will see how it will be. Blue. Light blue, sky blue. Sky blue also good, no? Violet shade. Sky blue is not good, I think. Sky blue is common. Even in our other software also is sky blue. Sky blue not good. Better, this violet. And here this one is okay, right? Lightning. The red is not matching, I think, here, the top. Right or no?
Yeah.
There also we can make the, shadow type. It looks beautiful. But still in the top, now the blue, we need to change the blue. Light is best, not hard color is always problem. Not matching, no? In the top. Matching or not matching? Matching?
Yeah, it's okay. I think it's okay.
It's okay, no? പക്ഷെ ഇതിവിടെ വരുമ്പോൾ ഈ കളർ സ്പെഷ്യലായിട്ട് എടുത്ത് കാണിക്കും അല്ലേ? അത് നല്ലതല്ലേ? അത് അല്ല, വേണ്ട, മറ്റേത് തന്നെ നല്ലത്. പ്രീവിയസ് വൺ ഈസ് ബെസ്റ്റ്. ഹിയർ ദേ ക്യാൻ സെർച്ച് വിത്ത് ബാർകോഡ് ആൾസോ. If somebody want to, some packed food also is there, they can just scan it and they can sell it. So this is the home screen is okay for dining. Now we need to make similar home screen for all, like takeaway billing, home delivery, and express billing. That's it. Then we can, start coding for the backend. The people, they can immediately make the connectivity for all. And there is admin panel is there. In the admin panel where they are product adding everything, that also we need to make it very beautiful. It's something like that, but it is interface is different. But പക്ഷേ ഈ ലുക്ക് നല്ല ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ആയിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലേ? അല്ല ഇതെങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? ലുക്ക് എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് ഇതിന്റെ? നമ്മുടെ റെസ്റ്റോറൻറ്റിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. ആ പുതിയ ഉണ്ടാക്കിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. ഇതുണ്ടല്ലോ, ഇത് അപ്പ് ഡൗൺ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യും. മെയിൻ മെനൂസ് ഇവിടെ സബ് മെനൂസ് എല്ലാം വരും. ഇവിടെ അക്കൗണ്ട് ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് എല്ലാം വരും. ക്യാഷ് എമൗണ്ട്, ടോട്ടൽ എമൗണ്ട് എല്ലാം. പിന്നെ ടേബിൾ കണക്ടിവിറ്റി, ടേബിൾ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഓപ്ഷൻ എല്ലാം ഉണ്ട്. സെയിം ഡിസൈൻ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് ഡൈനിങ്, ടേക്ക് അവേ, ഹോം ഡെലിവറി, എക്സ്പ്രസ് ബില്ലിംഗ് എല്ലാം വരും. പ്ലസ് ദർ ഇസ് എ ബാക്ക് എൻഡ്. കളർ കളറല്ലേ, സൂപ്പർ അല്ലേ? എന്നാൽ ഇത് തന്നെ പ്രൊസീഡ് ചെയ്തു. വേണ്ട, ഇത് മതി. ഇവിടെ അത് വന്നോളൂ, ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക് വന്നോളൂ. അത് സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയറിൽ വന്നോളൂ, നോ പ്രോബ്ലം. കേട്ടോ അത് പ്രൊസീഡ് ചെയ്തോ. ഓക്കെ.